Now let's look at this figure 7-5. It deals with balanced current flow in the phase-to-phase amps as well as the winding current. Now, if you look at the phase-to-phase current from L1, L2, and L3, we have 150 amps on each phase. So the winding current will be 150 amps. It's the same. And you'd have 100% of the phase-to-phase amps to determine what the winding current would be. And again, that's why you can start a motor on a Y and run it on a delta, because you see you get 150 amps, you get the maximum torque per amp, so to speak. And, you know, we can review figure 430.7b, as in boy, 2.2, and it talks about starting a motor on a Y and running it on a delta. Well, this is the reason. So you're getting that maximum phase-to-phase amps in those windings because you have 150 amps there. And that's what your figure 7-5 is illustrating on transformer theory.